Hey there! Today I'm going to help you set up your Vidami Blue with your Android phone or tablet. Let's get started! In this tutorial, we will cover pairing the Vidami Blue with your Android device via Bluetooth, installing the Firefox browser, registering your Vidami Blue, and installing the Vidami software. We will first pair your Vidami Blue with your Android phone or tablet. Turn on your Vidami Blue using the switch on the back. You'll see the Bluetooth light start to blink. That's your Vidami Blue letting you know it's ready to connect. Now, on your Android device, open the Bluetooth settings. Once the Vidami Blue is available, select it and accept the pairing request pop-up. The blue light will turn solid on your Vidami Blue, and you'll be ready for the next step. Let's install the Firefox browser. If you already have Firefox installed, go ahead and skip to around 2 minutes for the next step. Now open the Google Play Store. It looks like this. Once inside, navigate to the search icon shown here. Then search the word Firefox. Choose to install the Firefox Fast and Private browser. Now open Firefox. Toggle through the automatic prompts, and if you'd like, you can set Firefox as your default browser, like this. Moving along. Great! Now you're in Firefox. Now let's register and install the Vidami software. Go to www.app.vidami.com. Select Get Started to create your account. You can link with your Google or Apple account, or create a login with your email address. Once you've created your account, click Add Device. Next, use the device toggle to select Vidami Blue and enter the serial number which can be found on the bottom of your Vidami Blue. And then choose to install the Vidami Firefox Android extension. Confirm the required permissions here and click OK to complete the installation. Now it's time to search for a video on YouTube.com or your favorite Vidami-compatible website. It's important to note that Vidami Blue works on Android only via Firefox. Use YouTube.com in Firefox, not the YouTube app. And ignore any pop-ups to open the YouTube app. If you see a pop-up window like this, then click on Cancel. Do not click on OK or check the box. For an even easier way to navigate to YouTube.com and all of our compatible websites, you can use the Vidami Control Center. To learn more, just navigate to vidami.com, click on the Info menu, and select Vidami Control Center. You're all set! Dive into your favorite videos and discover just how fun and easy learning can be. To learn more, visit vidami.com.